I'm Brittany with WTI, and I think it's so important to take time to relax and get a good night's sleep.
And we really enjoyed jumping in and snuggling up to this 14-inch queen-size mattress by KOANTTI. It is so easy to set up. It is rolled up in a vacuum-sealed bag that once it is fully out, you can open up and just look how quickly it inflates to its size. It is not too heavy to move around, but is stable enough that it is not going to move off of your bed frame. This is a memory foam hybrid, so it combines the comfort of memory foam and springs. The pillow top has cooling fabric to add to the extra comfort and support. The detail of it, I feel, is just absolutely beautiful. It is so comfortable, so durable, and it can handle even the most active sleepers, no matter how much you move in the night. It fits all of my sheeting and my bedding, and because it is not too heavy, it is easy to tuck the sheets in so that it's not going to move all the time. It doesn't stick out too much, so I'm able to still use the drawers. I absolutely love this mattress. It is so comfortable. It's easy to plop down and relax on your own or with someone special to a movie. And when you're ready to go to bed, you can have the confidence of knowing you're going to have a good night's sleep.
I really appreciated the care and detail that they put into this mattress, and that's my point of view.